Do you want to see how to create this video intro using Keynote? Keep watching to see more. Diamond Education Hub presents Online Learning. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this from us. Right, on with the video. Open Keynote and select the white presentation. We are using the dimensions 1280 by 720. As these are the best dimensions for the video editing software that we will be using. So go ahead and insert your background. I created this in the Procreate app, and it is available on our website, if you want to download a copy. Once your video or image is on your slide, crop it to suit your requirements. Go to the Movie tab to trim your video. Remember, it needs to be relatively short, as it is just for the intro of your video. Now it's time to insert some text. Go to the text icon and insert your text, font style and color. Then insert your tagline. Tell your viewers what your channel, video or lesson is about and repeat the process. complete this, you will need to add in a green screen. So select a square shape and color it green. Place it below your screen so that you can animate your intro. Click on the animation toolbar and select your animation for your text title. Go ahead and animate each part of the intro separately. And add in a slight delay to each animation to give your viewers time to watch and read any text. Once you have completed this, cover the slide with the green shape that you created earlier and add some animation to this too. The wipe animation works best for this effect. Go to your video editing software and add in your intro. I'm using iMovie for this. Add your intro to your timeline. Add it on top of your footage. Select the green screen option in your software. This will create a smooth transition effect from the intro to your footage. Now crop the video where necessary and your video intro is complete. We hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.